Adjectives make everything more interesting. With their multiple types, forms, and rules of use, the adjective can be a slippery element of language to master. Get a firm grip on it, and you'll be rewarded with the power to elevate your work to a more engaging, interesting, and expressive level. Adjectives are words that modify, describe nouns. They can express the size, shape, color, texture, condition, origin, material, and feelings of the object they describe. They are used to describe people, places, things, and ideas. Adjectives can make a sentence more interesting and provide more information about the nouns they modify. Adjectives give the reader more specific information about an object. The noun, person, is nondescript, but add an adjective and you give that person 3 dimensions. Understanding adjectives' functions will help you use them effectively in your stories, essays, and papers. There are 3 main types of adjectives: descriptive, limiting, which includes possessive, articles, numbers, and indefinite, and demonstrative. Descriptive adjectives are used to describe the physical or personality traits of a person or thing. Limiting adjectives help define or limit a noun or pronoun. They tell which one, what kind, how many, or whose. And demonstrative adjectives point out specific people or things. Remembering all of the different types of adjectives and when to use them can be tricky. However, there are some tips and tricks you can use to help you remember them. First, try to understand or know some common adjective endings such as ed, ing, ful, les, and ous. Second, practice using adjectives in your writing so you get a feel for how they are used. Finally, pay attention to the context clues in a sentence to help you identify which adjectives are being used. Adjectives add detail and make writing more interesting. A simple sentence can be made more vivid with the addition of adjectives. As writers, we are trying to paint pictures of the scene in the reader's minds. Adjectives aid in giving the color and texture to your nouns. Adjectives used in your writing will create different effects. They can make a reflective description of the noun or create more drama within a sentence description. You can learn more and watch my other learning videos at my YouTube channel, Kristen Kendall. Sign up for my newsletter at my website, kristenkendall.com. Stay in contact at my Facebook page, Instagram, website, and join Writing Adventurers. As always, happy writing!